Dick Smith Commercial Truck, in collaboration with AUL, is pleased to offer exclusive 150,000 to 200,000 mile extended service plans. Our extended service plans have you covered as soon as you purchase your truck, providing you with additional protection and peace of mind to grow your business. Our extended service plans allow you, the contractor, to have repairs made by any non-Ford licensed service companies day one. In fact, you do not have to have service at a Ford dealership ever. In addition, AUL handles the cost of repair and payment. This Dick Smith Commercial AUL Extended Service Plan can be added to new vehicle financing, as well as qualifying used vehicles with less than 12,000 miles. Our extended service plans are not only transferable, but also based on mileage and have no engine hour restrictions, covering you even further down the road. Our extended service plans also include free roadside assistance, which will tow your package truck up to 150 miles to your preferred service center or back to your hub. The cost of the extended service plan can be financed into your monthly payment while minimizing costly repairs. Contact our representative today to discuss your specific needs and how Dick Smith Commercial and AUL Extended Service Plans can help you stay on the road longer, allowing you to grow your business, knowing you are covered from day one. You'll be glad you did.